This is a car that I bought last night. Look at this thing with the racing stripes on it. I guess it's a Ford Fiesta. I've never seen a Ford Fiesta before. Today we've got a crazy day. It's going to begin here at our home in Utah. In the next 3 hours, I need to destroy that Ford Fiesta. I mean, obliterate it. This is what we're using today. Look at this beast. This tire comes up past my belly button. That's how big this is. There's a forklift right on here. It just has these 2 little forks right there. I live about 2 miles away from here, so I'm gonna drive this back to the house and then we're gonna get this going. I mean, look how big this thing is. I've never driven anything like this. There's no license plate. I don't know how that's street legal, but. All right, I'm doing it. I'm driving it down the street. It's a lot faster than I thought it would be. Woo! Yeah, this is worth the money right here to rent this thing, just to be driving it. It's bouncy, yeah. Train tracks are gonna be bumpy. Oh, that was bumpy. How am I allowed to drive this thing? Okay, camera down. All right, little guy. Did a pretty good parking job. So I noticed I felt like I was off balance as I was driving. Look at this, look at the tires. Here's the way this thing's running, and they're like totally off balance. I knew it felt weird while I was driving it. All right, step 1, get this giant bucket lift to our house. Achieved. Step 2, we need to go get a transformer. I've purchased one, I paid for it, but I just don't have it yet. They think I'm coming Monday to get it. Hopefully I can get it today. We'll see how this goes. All right, now it's time to go find a transformer. We gotta get it. Got some friends here. We got Zach, we got Hunter. The great thing about Zach is he always has a truck. So we're gonna put it in. Are you sure we're not gonna break your nice truck?
I'm sure. A truck is a truck and it's for hauling stuff, so we're gonna use it.
Oh, it's so nice. It's like this plasticky, cheap stuff right here. Just kidding. Okay, we're gonna go get a 300-pound transformer if they'll let us have it. We're supposed to be getting it on Monday, so we're a little early on this. This is it. This is the guy. It's not gonna shock me. Zach, feel it. It's pretty heavy. You're a strong guy.
We're gonna lift it into the back of the truck with just our hands.
It's empty of oil, so it should be lighter.
Let's do it.
Oh, scratched it.
Oh no, it's over.
Looks good back there. Hunter, you hold on to it. Don't let it fall out. Look at all these transformers. These ones are a little bit bigger. That's about our size right there. But some of these are huge. I'll take our little one. It'll work. It's heavy enough as it is. And we're gonna fill it up with water and make it even heavier. All right, we have almost everything that we need to make this crazy idea happen. Now we just need Lincoln. Get him out of bed. So Hunter decided not to sit in there, and we stopped at a stoplight, and this went whoo, boom, and hit. It's a good thing this thing isn't taller and this wasn't pointed at the window, because your window would have been shattered. This is our forklift thing. We're just gonna set it right in front of this. Hold on guys, hold on. I know you're strong, but we don't need any injuries here. That's heavy. That's gonna do some damage to that car for sure. All right, there's a way to open it. I wonder if it's that bolt right there. Next step, Zach recommends that we take the oil out of the car so it does not kill our grass, and maybe even take out the gas. We're gonna see how much fuel this actually has in it. It's a beautiful car. This is the first look. Check it out. Look at these Sony speakers right here. Custom made for this car. Perfect. He says it takes a while to get it warm. Okay, the gas needle's going up. Come on, stay low, gas.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
Okay. I mean, there's not that much fuel in it. I like that. And if I rev it up, it turns off. Look at the back. Look at all this.
Whoa.
Look at this. This guy does CrossFit and works at Lucky Slice Pizza. The tires only have 4 lug nuts on them. These tires are smaller than most spare tires that you see. The little donuts, these are smaller than those.
I think we should save the tires and put them on your Tesla afterwards.
Ooh, yeah, I could get extra life out of them. I won't have to sell it soon. Oh,
Perfect.
just for fun, we're gonna see if we can get the tires off the ground here. Sounds fun.
Oh, easy.
Look at that! I think Zach did all that himself there.
No.
All right, we've given Zach the job to rig this up. Our thought is we get this cable, we wrap it around there, and then that way, when it drops onto the car, the idea is we can put the forklift over by it again, wrap the chain on there, and then just lift the bucket out of it, hopefully. And then we gotta figure out a way to dispose of this car today.
Okay.
Feel good about that?
75% sure that'll hold.
Okay, I'll take those odds. You ever operated a big forklift before?
I have not.
I'm gonna teach you the ways.
Okay, let's do it.
First you open the door. All right, hop on in this guy.
All right.
I'll show you this thing. It's so big. Oh, and also we have taken blue tape and covered up every logo on this thing. They're all off of there. I don't want anybody coming back on us. The company being like, we don't want you to do that. Always has to have the parking brake on, which is on. Put your foot on the brake.
This is the
and
brake?
then, yeah, and then turn the key.
Doesn't feel like a brake.
Well, wait. Okay, wait 15 seconds. Now that's like that. Go ahead and turn that switch. It's been about 15 seconds. Let's turn it on. Maybe not. Oh, fun fact. It has to be in neutral.
Fun fact. Is there anything else we've forgotten?
I think that's it. All right. Oh, he's raising it. Okay, he's figuring it out. He's getting it in place here. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. You have been trained well. So the question was, can we turn the hula girl around so that we can put a GoPro on the outside? So I tried to turn her around and it did not go so well.
Snap your feet off, bro.
She has no more feet. Look at her poor feet. Oh, poor hula. I really like that idea about the hula girl dancing. Duct taped the license plate. Every sticker that was on there. There is no brand. There's no way to know what kind of car this is. All right, Kai, you came. You just checked out of school just to come see this?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna drop that metal box over there, the transformer,
Yeah.
on top of this. How do you think it's gonna work?
If it gets on like the top, it's gonna bend the middle and maybe like get a dent, like a hole in it. But if you hit the windshield, it might crash all the glass everywhere.
All right, we've drained the oil out of this. According to Zach, we have about 5 to 10 minutes of drive time. So I'm just gonna get it. We're gonna drive it right over to the middle of the lawn.
You're about 2 inches.
Oh yeah, like riding a bike, never forget how to drive stick. I thought this angle would be good because then we've got the racing stripes leading right toward the front door. Well, it's a little off, but it's a good idea. We're getting close. I think next step is to get Lincoln, film some sort of little tiny intro thing, and then lift it up and let's go at this.
Ready to smash the car?
No, it's a very nice car. I'm surprised it still runs.
Yeah?
That's like 300,000 miles on it.
Okay, we kind of have it in place a bit. A little off-centered, like I don't want to move the car. I'm not getting under that. But I feel like it's kind of off-centered. The thing is, it's gonna slide off the front, and so it's gonna fall from like that part.
Hopefully.
Oh look, see it's dripping right there. Fire and
I think
hose!
they're ready.
There's glass everywhere for some reason. Oh yeah, you just want me to carry it around? Yeah, okay. Probably can't stick this in the main video, but there's glass all over that thing. So, now I'm gonna touch Dan's phone.
Here we go. Take number 2.
It's going! It's going! Oh! The glass is everywhere on the yard.
We got it.
On the
We
yard.
got it good on that one. Let's check it out. There is a transformer This thing is tough. Look at the back, look at the glass. Just exploded all over. We got this tail light thing. Stickers kept the glass going good, but it just sat right back. Thanks for the transformer. City people came by and I was like, oh no, they're gonna get mad at us. And then they watch it, they go, that was awesome. So there's glass on the chain. When you pull the chain, it kind of gets you a little bit. So thank you for being the professional drone pilot.
No worries.
We've got a flight in like an hour and a half, 2 hours, and he's got to go all the way to his office and get his stuff, his passport, all that good stuff. And then we are flying for 10 hours. Okay, go get your stuff. We'll see you at the airport.
See ya.
We're gonna drop it one or two more times. We'll try to stay safe, Zach, while we're doing this. All right, so we kind of hit the top right there again, damaged it a bit. Pretty strong car here. That was good. We have like 30 more minutes left. We didn't quite get the full thing and I don't really want to hit the engine. Sorry, I just don't. Maybe we'll do what's inside of a car and we'll destroy a car someday. Today is not that day. Today is about the transformer and it is dang tough. So I'm gonna see if I can like scoop in and pick up the car and move the car. I think we're just gonna park it right here. Hunter and Matt, their job is gonna be today to find somebody that will come with a dump truck or whatever, tow truck, and get this out of here. Okay. Forever. So we don't ever have it. Okay, this has been a cool project. This is probably already a good vlog as is. Day's not even over. Like I gotta go on a 10-hour flight in first class to Netherlands and we got some crazy stuff happening out there. So I'm just gonna leave this car here and shut the door so our neighbors don't see it. Then they won't know anything happened here, except we have tons of glass and stuff on our driveway. We did not make one dent in this thing. It is solid. How are we gonna take this thing apart for the video? I guess you guys probably have already seen the video because I don't think we're gonna launch this video until the other one's up. So if you haven't, go check out the main channel video about what's inside of a transformer. It should be really interesting what's actually inside of this thing.